how to manage subscriptions on Gmail. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you subscribed to numerous email addresses and now receive tons of promotional or sponsored emails every day and want to manage or cancel them all in one place but don't know how? If yes, then you are watching the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Gmail on your device. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top, then scroll to the bottom. Here, you will see an option called Manage Subscriptions. Tap on it. Now, you will get to see all your active subscriptions. Before unsubscribing, please note that it may take a few days for senders to stop sending you emails. Go through the list of your subscriptions and find a sender you wish to unsubscribe from. Once found, tap on the unsubscribe button on the right side. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Finally, tap on the unsubscribe option to confirm. You can follow the same process for other senders too. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to manage subscriptions on Gmail. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.